Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to teach you about the Google account. In this video, I'll cover the Google security or your personal informations and Google activity and lots of things will be covered in this video. That's why you can watch this video until the last. And if you have still any kind of confusion about the Google account, you can ask me in the comment sections. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to my computer screen. So today I'm going to teach you about the Google account security. Okay, so first of all you have to log in inside your gmail.com. So I'm just typing the gmail.com, and after this you have to type your email ID here. So I'm just typing this one and I'm just using my password. Okay, after logged in inside your Gmail, just you have to click in the new tab and just type my account, okay, .google.com. And when you will logged in inside your Gmail, now you can see it's telling me that welcome. Okay, now you can see there are lots options available. There is personal info. Okay, from the personal info you can change your password. Okay, you can change your gender, you can change your birthday. Okay, and you can change your contact info also. Now you can see there is a email and phone and lots things available. Okay, you can use this one. And from the data personalization, now you can see now you can control on your uh, Google activity. You can control weapon and weapon app activity. You can use location history activity, YouTube history activity, and lots options available here. From here also you can control whatever you want. If I don't want to use this activity YouTube history, then just click here and just turn off this one. Okay, done, and just click in the pause. And using this trick, uh, it will be and you can click here also. I think there are lots activity controls available here. So from here you can uh, control, or you can check your activity where your Google ID activity is turned on and where your Google ID activity is turned off. You can check, or you can switch on or switch off your Google activity from here. Okay, and one of the most option, that is security. From the security you can check your security issues of your Google account. And from here you can set your password. Okay, and you can use your phone to sign in. Okay, if you put this one, it will send you a message also, but in this time I don't want to use this one. Okay, or you can use a two-step verification. If you turn on these features, then it will uh, it will make more secure to your Google account. Okay, and now you can see here you can change your recovery phone and recovery email from here. And when you will go down, there is a recent security events. Now you can see from where your uh, Google account is signed in, or from which device your Google ID is signed in. You can check this one. Okay, recent security events. And you can check the recent activities also. Now you can see here, now I am just using this ID from the Windows, right? So you can also check this one, from where your devices or from which devices you are logged in right now. So this is also one of the most important features of Google account. And another option is also available, people and sharing. From the people and sharing, you can see you can share the contact info, and you can send the contact info from your devices. Okay, or you can share your locations, and you can share um, your informations. Lots things available inside here. And you can turn on your recommended ads also. Here also you can read, you can choose to show your name, profile photo and activity, and share endorsement in ads to help others find things you are interested in. So from here you can turn in, and Google will send that kind of ads which you are interested. And from the payment and subscription, you can set the payment methods. Okay, and you can set the purchases, and you can set the subscription and reservation also. So this is all about the Google account. So lots people don't know about the Google account. How can they change their recovery email ID, or how can change their recovery mobile number, or how can they set their payment methods, and how can they check their activity of Google account or security issues. So hoping that you get some knowledge about the Google account. Okay, so if you have still any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment sections. That's it.
Hoping that you understand about the Google account, and if you have still any kind of confusion about this video, let me know in the comment sections, and don't forget to share this video to your friends, family and relatives. I'll try to give answer of your each questions. I'll meet with you another video, and hoping that you enjoy this video and you learn something from this video, and I'll meet with you another video. Goodbye, see you again.